This video will show you how to use the dashboard in the MyJobsManager app. The dashboard has 6 sections. In the left upper corner, you have the section Progress. Here you can see all the jobs which are planned for the day. In our example, there is 1 job each for application, harvest and tillage. The color indicates that the job has already been done. On the right, you can see the proportion of jobs which have already been done for the day. Below, from left to right, you can find the overdue jobs. These are jobs from the past which have not been completed yet. Next, you have unassigned jobs, which are scheduled but still need to be assigned to an operator. Unscheduled jobs are tasks which still need to be planned. At the bottom, you can change from Dashboard to Clients. Here you can see all clients listed in your organization. If you click on one specific client, you can see the jobs which are attached to this specific client. By touching the plus icon, you can add new clients.